In this video, we will show you how to use the MCR XX3 Rheometer with Peltier temperature devices to measure a flow curve and a viscosity curve. Turn on the MCR. Click Start either in the control panel or on the touchscreen of the MCR. In the control panel or on the touchscreen, set your measuring temperature. Wait until the temperature is reached. Connect the measuring system to the coupling. When connected correctly, an audio signal sounds and the name of the measuring system appears in the control panel. Click Determine Reference Position either in the control panel or on the touchscreen. Set a new reference position when you use a new measuring geometry or change the measuring temperature. Important, don't apply the sample before setting the reference position. Click Loading Position to load the sample. Anton Paar offers numerous project templates for various samples and applications. In the drop-down menu, select Rotation. Click on the template Viscosity Curve. The test definition contains predefined actions like setting a temperature, running the actual measurement, and performing an analysis. The measurement action contains the actual measurement of the sample. You can start the measurement with the predefined parameters like shear rate and number of measuring points, or modify these parameters based on your sample and application. The measuring point duration is set to steady state, ensuring that a measuring point is only recorded if a steady state of the sample is reached. No manual input of measuring point durations necessary. Apply the sample to the lower measuring plate. Make sure the sample does not contain any air bubbles as they influence the measurement. Click Measuring Position to move the upper geometry to the predefined measuring position. If applicable, the geometry stops at the trim position. Trim the sample with a spatula. Click Continue. Click on the action Start. In the text boxes, type in information or an additional description of the sample. In the top ribbon, click Start Current. Type in the test name. Click Continue. The test will run through the actions from start to finish, displaying the active action in blue. The progression of the measurement can be followed along on the screen on the device as well as in the diagram in real time. Go to the view Report. A measuring report containing all relevant sample data, a diagram, and the results of the interpolation are displayed automatically. Reports can be adjusted by the user manually. Reports are useful tools in quality control and can be saved as a PDF. Measurement results are displayed in the diagram and in the table. Open the control panel and click Topmost Position. Remove the measuring geometry. Clean the measuring geometry and lower plate with suitable solvents. Connect the measuring system. Apply a fresh sample, go to the reference position, and start a new test. In the top toolbar, click File. Click Close Project. In the window, click Save. You are directed back to the main menu and can now open a new project. Exit the software. Turn off the MCR via the main power switch. Attach the protection to the coupling.
Make sure the protection tube is in the unlocked position and screw it into the measuring head to protect the coupling. Turn the lower part of the protection tube to the locked position.